After 25 days, Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan and two others were granted bail by the Bombay High Court. Aryan is likely to be released from jail on Friday or Saturday as the detailed bail order is yet to be issued. Justice Nitin W. Sambre of Bombay High Court will issue a detailed order. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra met the families of 4 farmers who allegedly fell ill and died. The victims died while waiting in line for purchasing agricultural fertilizer. The region is facing agricultural fertilizer scarcity. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Rome to attend the 16th edition of the G20 summit. All eyes are on PM Modi's meeting with Pope Francis in the Vatican during his 2-day visit. PM is also visiting Glasgow and UK. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is set to meet BJP senior leaders in Lucknow today. Uttar Pradesh Assembly Elections 2022 is on the agenda for the meeting. He will also be launching the party's membership campaign and flag-off campaign vehicles. Price of petrol and diesel in Delhi is at Rs 108.64 and Rs 97.37 per litre respectively. Prices of petrol and diesel went up by Rs 0.35. In Mumbai, petrol and diesel prices per litre stand at Rs 114.47 and Rs 105.49 respectively. In Kolkata, the same are at Rs 109.02 and Rs 100.49 and Rs 105.43 and Rs 101.59 in Chennai. The United States will provide $144 million as humanitarian aid to people of Afghanistan. The assistance will be provided directly to independent international and non-governmental humanitarian organizations. The United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNICEF, International Organization for Migration, and WHO will receive the financial aid. Beijing has agreed to build a base for police in Tajikistan near the Afghan border, a Tajik official confirmed amid concerns from both countries about the Taliban's ability to keep a lid on extremist groups. The development points at deepening security cooperation between the two countries. Indonesia's President Joko Widodo urged richer countries to share vaccines with poorer nations. The president said it shouldn't be just a few countries that get all the vaccines and some countries get only a little. Police in Laos have made the biggest single drug seizure ever recorded in Asia. Officers intercepted a truck carrying 55 million methamphetamine tablets and more than 1.5 tons of crystal meth. The discovery came after police stopped a truck carrying beer crates in Bokyo.